You need to be aware of like what their stack is and what vulnerabilities the stack might have. So if you compare for example, version numbers of the plugins or themes they're using, you can already tell. You can use Patchstack free database to see like they have these vulnerabilities there in their websites. If you develop a website, you can like months later just go there. If they are not on your care plan yet and you need to sell it, just go check their website. You check the latest plugin versions they're currently using, and then you just compare the results to Patchstack's database, or install Patchstack plugin on their site, which already tells you like how many vulnerabilities they currently have. If you make a point there to them, like, hey, you have like 10 vulnerabilities right now, we need to get those things fixed, and we need to constantly fix them. Otherwise, it's just sooner or later get hacked and your business will suffer. Yeah, Patchstack is like a solution that I sometimes compare with having like a fortification. It only makes sense to have it on a clean site. So once you develop a site, it makes the most sense to install it at the point when you put it first live, or like on staging already actually. Because if you do it later, then it might get hacked, and then you need these additional costs to handle everything. But it's like a fortification. If you have like a fort and the enemies are already attacking you, it's too late to build like the fortification walls around it. So Patchstack is something that builds like a wall around your castle or fortress. So you need to deal with it at the right time, not too late. In the essential plan, I also, for the first month, I include the protection for free. So it's like there's like a monthly trial. And after the trial, I send them a security report. And then they can actually see like how many attacks got blocked on their website, and they see the value then better than from just my own sales pitch. So it converts actually very well. If they are absolutely unwilling to come to my care plan, then I just send them like a step-by-step tutorial what they need to do every month themselves. And that's like a long list of things they have to do, but they have to consider it. If they see the list, then sometimes that motivates them to come to the care plan, because they know that they don't actually want to do that, but they also know that they have to do that. But I would say like paying 60 euros per month for this peace of mind and knowing that your business is secured and someone is checking it all the time. It's not much, especially if you run a business and you earn money, especially if you compare it with like, if you get hacked, you get your reputation, everything gets messed up, and cleanup costs several hundred of euros. So why would you choose this path? I would use Patchstack's API tools, like the developer API that is like perfect for automations. You can basically automate generating the security reports, or like running the updates on customers' websites and so on. I do generate those PDF reports monthly when I run the updates. I would reach out to agencies first. Those agencies who are only interested in developing new websites, because a lot of them still for some reason don't want to do the business where they earn MRR, or monthly recurring revenue. They are only looking for new projects, and they are only focused on creating new websites. So I think there's like a huge lack of such agencies that offer like maintenance plans. So if I were to scale my business, I would first reach out to all the agencies that are developing websites and offering them some sort of like contract, so that I would do only maintenance and care plans and security, and they can they can just leave their customer, or like be there only when the customer needs some development jobs from them, but the maintenance and security is handled by my agency. So that's how I would scale it. Airbnb for security. Yes. I would like to say that take care of your customers, take care of their websites, and take responsibility for their business security, because it's really, really important. It's only growing in the level of importance, because WordPress is growing, the hackers communities are growing as well, and just take care of your customers. Make sure everyone is safe. Thanks for having me.